Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Pitbull's Garage. Today we're going to see if you can still get polish, wax, and spray detailer from your local auto parts stores. I know with the switch over online shopping and better brands, can still the common use like say meguiar's or turtle wax still get the job done? I would say yes. That's just in my opinion. I've been using them for years, they ain't let me down, so I'm going to show you before and after. Usually I start with a polish, and I always use meguiar's Ultimate Polish. Wax, that is a combination of wax and polish, but today we're just going to use that because that's the next step is wax. And then I like to finish it off with a Ultimate Quick Detailer, and this is in the black one. This is more higher than the ones that come in the red, so it's supposed to work a little bit better. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, this is the before. She's a little dusty, been sitting in the garage. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the polish and show you what that looks like. Got the polish. What you want to do is you make sure you want to shake it real well, and then you want to start in a little section. Say I'm gonna do this little section right here, and then I'm gonna put it on my applicator and just do this area, and then make sure you do it in the shade. Then you want to make sure I use only microfiber cloth. 100% cotton seems to scratch the paint, so then you just take, wipe it off. I mean, already you can start to see the difference. Like I said, I'm a highly believer of meguiar's wax. Also, I didn't mention in the beginning, if you have fine scratches, which I don't, or swirl marks, you want to use the meguiar's clay bar. That helps smooth out the paint and gets all the imperfections and swirl marks out. But on this I don't have to do it, so that's why I'm just doing these steps. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the wheels too. I'm gonna finish the body, but I have chrome wheels. I do the chrome. Like, it's never failed me. You don't need, to me in my opinion, you don't need no chrome cleaner. The wax and polish should do the same thing, or maybe to me even better. All right, you can already tell the difference. Just did the whole bike. That's just polish. Next I'm gonna do wax. Also, I didn't mention you do have to wash your bike or car or truck or whatever before you do any of this. Just want to make sure everyone knows that. Here goes the wax, and you do the same thing. Well, this is in a tin, so there's no shaking. You just take a little bit, get a little bit on there, and apply it like that. Do the same steps you did with the polish. Well, I guess the weather didn't want me to do it outside today, so forced to do it in the garage. Hopefully it's still the same results at the end. It get pick up the same way. I ain't got a lot of light in here, but we'll see. Done with the waxing now. Now for the last step, I like to use nice Ultimate Quick Detailer spray wax. You're supposed to use this between washes, but I like to do this after I get done, just to like to go over it, any spots you may have missed, or to me it gives it an extra shine. All right, and then you just take it like this, spray, microfiber, wipe it off. Just go around the whole bike or car or truck or whatever you're doing. And there you have it. I think meguiar's does an excellent job in my opinion. To me, you don't have to go online to buy any of that. I mean, it's good. Not saying I'm not it doesn't get the job done. But same time, you could just go to your local auto parts store. Got that from Advance. I get all my stuff from Advance and get the same results without having to wait or pay all that extra money. I say with all this, I spent around 50 bucks for everything, the polish, the wax, and the spray wax. If you do need the meguiar's clay bar, that is around $25.99. That's, like I said, if you have swirl marks, scratches. Also, I did use meguiar's car wash to wash it off before I started the presses. Remember, you have to wash it before you do anything, because you can't polish and wax over dirt. It does, it's gonna add more scratches. And then also use microfiber towels. Other than that, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace.